Everyone is talking about AI in marketing. Some say it will replace marketers. Others say you must learn it or you'll become irrelevant. But what does AI in marketing actually mean? In this video, we will break it down in the simplest way possible. No complicated tools, no technical jargons. Let us get to the heart of what AI in marketing really is. Right now, most marketers fall into one of two groups. The first group feels overwhelmed. They hear terms like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation, and feel completely lost. The second group is already experimenting with AI tools, but often without a clear strategy. Both groups are confused because AI is usually explained from a technical perspective, not a marketing one. So let us clear up the confusion. Here is a straightforward definition. AI in marketing means using intelligent systems to help marketers make better decisions, faster, and at scale. That is it. It is not about robots taking over or some kind of magic, and it certainly is not about replacing human thinking. Instead, AI is a tool that supports marketers in their work. To make things even clearer, let us use a simple three-part framework. AI in marketing helps with three main things: understanding customers, creating or optimizing content, and improving decisions and performance. By focusing on these areas, marketers can use AI to enhance their work, not replace it. Now let us briefly look at each part of this framework. First, AI helps marketers understand their customers. It can analyze huge amounts of data, like customer behavior, patterns, and preferences, much faster than any human could. This means marketers can get deeper insights into what their customers want and need. Second, AI assists with content and communication. It helps draft, test, personalize, and optimize content. Importantly, AI does not replace strategy or creativity. Instead, it supports marketers by making content creation and testing more efficient. Third, AI improves decisions and performance. It helps marketers predict outcomes, spot trends, and improve targeting or timing. With AI, decisions are based on data and probability, not just guesswork. Imagine a marketing team launching a campaign. Traditionally, they would analyze data manually, guess which content works, and test ideas slowly. With AI, patterns are identified instantly, content variations are tested faster, and decisions are based on real data. The marketer remains in control, but now with better visibility and confidence. Here's the biggest misunderstanding. People think AI is just automation. Automation follows rules. AI learns and improves. That difference is critical for marketers to understand. If you remember one thing, remember this. AI does not replace marketing thinking. It amplifies it. Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know which topics you want us to cover next. Like, share, and subscribe for more marketing concepts explained simply.